Babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday si Ate Mitch. Okay, si Ate Michelle Aimee Yapo ng advance happy birthday sa September 30. So, alam ko busy ka sa yung business. Aside from taking care of your family, especially your two cute boys and one young lady. So, na lumalaking magaganda at gwapo. At siyempre parang ang bilis ng panahon, no? Dalaga na yung si Mariel mo. Siguro, paglipas pa ng ilang taon, nasa senior high na yan. Or a few years after, baka college na yan. So, napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday. Wishing you and your family good health and more birthdays to come. Inagahan ko na kasi baka makalimutan ko pa yung pagbati eh. Hanggat naalala ko pa yung birthday mo mauna na ako. So, yun lang.